Oh, hey guys, what's up? This is Deepak. I am a Houdini effects artist. So I have created a tool for Houdini. So I've been doing Houdini for about for 5-6 years now, I guess. No, for 2018 I started. So basically I have to deal with like a lot of alembics sometimes because I also do lighting like in some specific projects sometimes. So I have to deal with like lots of alembic. So it's really harsh, it's really kind of like painful to import alembics and then add all these nodes. So that's why I thought let's just start doing Python, which I started like 2 months ago. And then recently I thought let's just add PyQt and PySide2 on the list. So this is what I have created. This is a multi-alembic importer. So this is the basic UI. So just to make sure that this node works, I have some of these I'm just going to scramble these nodes here and there so that when I lay out it won't actually touch these nodes. So this is what I got. So this is the tool. So you have basic super simple UI. You just click on select folder, then you have to go to the folder where you actually have alembics. You just click on accept, then it's going to lay out all the alembics that you have inside the folder. So the ones that you actually need, you just select them, like select all or just select them, then you just click on the nodes that you actually need. I'm gonna add all of them, then click on execute. So I have selected 5 nodes, and here are the 5 nodes with a really low padded network box. So if you just go inside, you have all these basic nodes that you have selected from here. This is set to job and hip name, totally simple. And the null node is black because it's really easy to see from far away if you have a really big network. Now if you just go out, you can actually add all of them if you want. Just click this one, then execute. It's going to add all the nodes that you actually have inside the specific folder. So the other best thing about this thing is if you want, you can select the like this column as well if you really want to. So if you want to select this column, then you can just select it, then you can just click on execute. Then this thing also works because these are actually connected. If you select like this one or this one, it's the same thing. So the other feature that I have added to this thing is that imagine like if you actually have added if someone from some department or some person have added some alembics inside this folder and you really want to access it. Okay, so I will open this thing, which is open right here. So I have these files that are showing up right here, as you can see. So I'm just gonna copy and paste a couple because now it shows like I have 21 files. I'm just gonna copy and paste them. Just any 2 files. So paste it. You just have to make sure that you don't have any blank spaces. They have to be like underscores or whatever. So I'm just gonna add like a number, like a letter A, and this copy I'll just put it like B1. So, it won't actually work with blank spaces, which I have to change a lot in the list, which I will do maybe on version 2.3 or whatever. So now if we just go there and I just refresh it, it had 21. Now if I just refresh it, I have 23 now. So I have this A and there's one more B or something like that, which I have renamed, I guess. I forgot. It's okay. So again, just click all and then execute. Then all your nodes are right here, sitting right there. The padding is a bit here and there, which I was not able to figure out. I think I will later when I go into other versions. So now the other important part of it, imagine like you have subfolders that have alembics inside them. So what would you do? So you have this option called like input subfolders. Now you just have to again select the folder, go there, and I have 2 subfolders inside this main folder, Alembic ABC and ABCS. So I'll just select I'll just select this one, ABCS, accept. Now as you can see that it okay, I'm sorry, I think I selected this one, sorry. You just go back up and click on accept. You can see I have now like 40 files because these files also are here, and so does these files. So I have now like 40 files. So I'm gonna add like this feature, like if it's inside a subfolder, it gets an underscore like on the front, or or like a multiple underscores so that it kind of like stands out. Okay, so now same thing again, you know, click all, execute, then you get all the nodes inside, I mean on this whole list, you know. Only two things are actually will prevent this this tool from working. One is if you have spaces on your file names, and second thing is like really crazy, that if you have this node already, okay, and you want to create the same node, then if you execute it, this node actually will, I mean, it will be created as cam1 and so on, but the network box won't be added. So if I just create these three, you can see I have these three nodes. That's not a problem right here. So this is one, you can see I have these three nodes, but they are not like, you know, inside the network box. So yeah, if you want the network box, then you know you have to just make sure that you just don't create, you know, I mean, the same nodes twice. So you know, this is my first tool ever with over, I guess, about 200 lines of code. Then UI is different. UI is designed in Qt Designer, and I've made some changes to it, so it's really super simple. Hope you guys like it, and this will be free. I think I'm gonna upload it sometime soon. I don't know when, because I still have to fix one more thing, you know, the underscore thing on this part. So hope you guys like it, and thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day.